machine. It kept its motor clean. It was the best damn app I'd ever seen. It had everything you want. I ain't telling no lie. It's knocking me out and I wanna buy.
You are into online business or marketing and you want to make high quality images that will catch your audience's eyes? Something that will entice them to click, read, watch, and share. You want a graphics software that is very easy to use even for a beginner and doesn't cost a lot of money. You want a solution that is focused on e-commerce, social media, and helps you convert your traffic into subscribers, clients, and sales. You will need a tool that has plenty of professionally designed templates. And you also need a tool that gives you thousands of premium design assets, such as models, backgrounds, objects, sample products, icons, font, and text stylings. There are great solutions out there like Canva, Snappa, PicMonkey, Adobe Spark, Stencil, Trello, Photor, Designer. After doing a lot of research and trials, I have a new winner for Best Graphic Design Software for Online Businesses. It's Glorify Pro with the upgraded Icons8 package. Let me show you what it can do, how it can benefit you, and let's get it on.
I give you a hand?
Oh, please.
Here!
That's my kind of joke.
Alrighty, let me give you a hand so you can see how Glorify with the Icons8 upgrade works. Let's get into the software. Okay, now let's do a graphic with the Icon8 premium icons. Okay, so I already went here to the website's HD banner and I picked this cat template. And let me just move the kitty a little down, move her over to the right, bring up the text. Okay, I'm going to put 3 icons here, okay, with the background. So let me start with a element and shapes, circle, and let's size that down where I can fit 3 of these together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1 here. Let's give it a color. Let's just choose this light blue, and I'll just copy that 3 times or 2 times. 1. And now this is ready to insert our icons. So let's go into Elements, Icons8. It's still in beta, so this is where you'll find the premium thematic icon bundles. Search for pet. Let's choose this bone and fish icon. Okay, let's size that down. Get it to fit there. And let's make it white. You can make these any colors. Now let's do another one. There you go. Now we have 3 nice icons with a background. And you can even add some text under there. Let's take this. Let's copy that. Okay, and now we have food, beds, grooming. There, this is done. We can size him up again. There you go, ready to be downloaded. Okay, let me show you the difference between the standard Glorify Pro, the icons that come with it, which is this, and the upgraded premium icons from Icons8. Let's go to the standard icons. This comes with the Glorify Pro application, the standard, not upgraded. So let's do a search for pets. Okay, so there's some decent looking icons, but that's about it. That's all it is, from here down to here, and none of them are colored. You can just give it a color yourself. And now let's do a search for pets in the premium Icons8 section. Okay, for pets. So you can tell a different set of icons showed up, and some are colored. Okay, some will have two, non-colored one, so you can just color the whole thing with whatever color you pick, or one that comes already colored for you. And let's scroll down to see some more pets. They even have different animals here. And there's quite a bit, right? There's some cats, dogs, even saw a sloth. So there's just a lot more icons when you upgrade. And it's still going. We have parrots. If you're doing a lot of graphic work, I think this $200 upgrade is really valuable and a great deal. Just keeps going. There's turtles. For some reason, it mixes some other icons into the pet search. Okay, so that just gave you a little taste of what's available with the upgraded icons. Okay, let's try another type of icon. I selected this template for rechargeable fitness bands. Let's go search for some icons. This is the standard icon set that comes with Glorify Pro, not the upgrade. And let's type in watch. And these are all the watch related items in these standard icons. And now let's check for what's available in Icons8 with the upgrade. Watch. Okay, so there's some colored ones. There's a clock, stopwatch, and that looks like a Apple iWatch. Some more smartwatches, and it includes also watching TV, because that's part of the keyword. They have hourglasses. I'm not sure what that, or I guess that's watch your step. Okay, you can tell there's just so much more options for icons when you upgrade. Okay, it just keeps going and going. So I think this upgrade, this Glorify Pro plus Icons8 package upgrade, which is $200 more than the $97 for the application alone, is a really good pairing because you're going to have so much to select from to add to your graphics. You'll cut your time down going from one application to another application looking for icons, bringing it over to Glorify Pro. So that's why I decided to pay for this Icons8 upgrade, and it's only a pay once, and I have the 2 forever. That's a really good deal. While normally this thing costs $644 per year, because it's $445 for Glorify Pro once the sale ends. And Icons8, if you get a license from them, they charge you $200 a year. While here, for $297, you pay once and you get all of that every year and no more payment, just one-time payment. That is a fantastic deal. I mean, come on, you gotta try it. If you're doing a lot of online marketing, or if your online business requires a lot of graphics, a lot of thumbnails, a lot of Facebook ads or Instagram or Pinterest, I really recommend this package. It is like all-in-one. It comes with so many things. It comes with the models. Even that, just to use a few models into your graphics, that could cost $200 just like that for just a couple of pictures of models. Here you get tons of models. And also, you get the special bonus of unlimited magic background removal. This is truly important if you're outputting a lot of graphics, such as if you have a lot of clients. This will really come in handy because it's the best background remover I've used with any graphic software. So check out the link in the description. It's an affiliate link, and you can see if the sale is still available for this awesome deal. If you click my links and buy, I might get a referral fee for that, and it won't cost you anything. It's just a favor to me for, making these types of videos, because it does take time to make these videos, and that will help support my efforts in making these kinds of videos. I hope you check it out, and don't worry, there's a 30 back money day guarantee. So if you don't like it, you don't need it, you can always request for your money back. Thank you so much. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion.